Hi girls! My name is Shirley.
I'm Sharon.
And we are
the Shers.
In today's video, we're going to prepare a quick carbohydrate-free meal, which is going to be similar to a toast.
Exactly.
For this for this recipe, we're gonna need a waffle maker.
A waffle maker. Let's show.
It's yours, so you handle it.
A waffle maker. We have
4 eggs.
4 eggs, raw 4 eggs.
Raw.
Because we need to
Yes.
cook them. And we have Philadelphia garlic herb cream cheese.
Because we like garlic, so
Yes.
we have
2 boiled eggs.
2 hard-boiled eggs, ham, and cheese. You're not gonna need this much, but it's a lot. All right, so you want to come on this side, so you start doing what you usually do, because this is like your recipe.
Yeah. As we did the carnivore diet, we transitioned into the keto diet, right? And I have been, craving some bread, craving some cheesy, sandwich. So I found the perfect recipe. I mean, this is trending as well.
Yes.
And
I haven't seen it already on my
I have seen it, and obviously I tried it, and that's it. It was magical.
Tried, tested, and loved.
Exactly. And actually we had a barbecue.
Yeah.
And
we did this burger.
And it was perfect.
Yes, it was
for me, it
gives you the crunch, the softness, and saltiness of the same as if it was bread.
Correct. So, let's start. Firstly, we need to switch on our waffle maker so it gets very hot. I'm going to move everything here.
So I think it's good to say we have 4 eggs because we're gonna make a portion for each.
Exactly.
And for each slice of toast, you need 1 egg. Okay.
We'll heat it up. In the meantime, I'm washing my hands because that's the very first rule when touching eggs.
Yes. We're gonna start by putting half of a slice of cheddar, and then Cher is going to distribute the mixture on each side.
It's a lot of it, I think. Because the eggs are very large. I think we're going to only use 3 for this recipe.
Really?
Yes. So I'm going to close
I
them.
would fill them up. I'm sure my machine would be like dripping with mixture probably.
Yes, that's what happens. If you overfill it, it starts dripping from the side. You can beat this, please.
Like this?
No, honestly, no, I tried also doing bruschetta with them. I had some people coming over, family, and obviously I couldn't eat the pinza with the bruschetta items. So I said, let me try the waffle. And I did it, and it was amazing. So I think for me it replaced the bread.
For example, can you make it? Because I sometimes I sometimes crave during especially keto and stuff like that. The avocado toast.
Yes, you can as well. You can.
And that's very healthy, especially for keto.
You can. This is a replacement for bread, basically, and the taste is not eggy.
So it's not going to become soft.
No.
Like wet,
Listen, you have to eat it straight away. You cannot leave it, with the items soaking over.
Listen.
Oh, the smell is already... Because you're incorporating eggs with cheese. The cheese starts, getting more crispier.
Yes.
Let's do a facial.
Yeah. Pores, open pores.
Okay, look at this. It's coming beautiful. But you have to leave it to get more brown.
And then I think when it gets a little colder, it's, because cheese hardens when it gets cold, so I think you need to wait for it to get a little bit...
Yes, that's for sure. In the meantime, I'm taking the waffle maker to my side so I can check.
The egg is, like extra, obviously. The filling, you choose your own filling.
Because with one sandwich, you're eating already 2 eggs.
Exactly. So
And the waffles.
you're gonna have more eggs during the day. Maybe stay a little bit.
Exactly.
Just one, I think.
No,
is enough.
it's exactly.
I like that.
As you can see, 2 waffles came out, and they are brown and beautiful. And now, Shirley will.
I'm gonna decorate them.
Yeah, you're decorating them today.
Decorate. It's not a Christmas tree. Why am I saying decorate? I'm gonna.
It's Christmas for me, because I'm going to eat.
You get like this much. I don't know.
Yes.
Just gonna
Spread the cream cheese.
just a little bit, so there's a bit of taste of that garlicky. Because this has a lot of fat.
Yes,
so I don't want to make a lot. So one slice of cheese.
So in one sandwich, Shirley is incorporating it. We have 2 eggs and half of a hard-boiled egg, so that comes to 2.5 eggs. We are going to have 1 slice and a half cheddar cheese, a little bit of cream cheese, and a piece of ham. That's what the sandwich is made out of. And that's it. Voila! In the meantime, we have another sandwich in the making. It's almost ready. You hear the crunch?
It was crunchy, I think, a minute ago. Because with the heat, it starts to.
No, but when you're slicing it, there's the crunch.
Of the cheese, of the burnt cheese. Well, not burnt, but semi-burnt, right? How is it looking? 2.5.
1.5. Cheers.
Cheers.
Just crunchy.
It is.
Amazing.
I like it. Really
I like this type of ham as well.
It's not as salty. It's cooked ham. Like if you go to the
cheese counter.
cheese counter, to the deli counter, there will be like a whole leg of
Okay.
cut from the tassacchina of the knife in Maltese.
No, I'm telling you guys, you should try this. Because if you are like us, trying to be on low carb or keto, because carbs is affecting our diet, this is the way to go. For me, it really solved my problem, because I can do chicken sandwich, I can do a bruschetta, I can do a simple sandwich, I can do a burger. So for me, I literally incorporated it in every
This
meal,
can
and
be
it's fine.
Breakfast, can be lunch, can be a snack. It's quick. How long it took us? Maybe 10 minutes, because it needs to cook.
Yes.
So I guess that's all, folks, for today. We're gonna make another sandwich, because just a half is not gonna bil-Malti idur maż-żokra. If you know, you know. Yeah, so if you like this recipe and this kind of videos, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Yum. Hey, yeah, let's finish.
Yes. I'm only thinking about food right now, because amazing.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, as I was saying, if you have any suggestions of
Comment down in the comment section.
exactly,
We are eager to see your comments, your experiences. So thank you guys.
to the next time.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, if you're new here, check out the video where we share how this whole journey started. Also, don't forget to show us some love and hit that subscribe button. See ya!